This a place have a lockdown. And I'm more than one time people have to call police on him around here.
So what goes on? You see the attitude, you see the behavior, what go on between those persons, what?
I ask you.
Hello, you cannot come
I ask you, I need to make a report, a official report.
Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla. Yeah, but they are getting on my people, blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Okay, so in a video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person made a claim or said that the person gave a certain amount of money to someone, and based on context, I assume is in order to buy at least one thing. However, I would like you to listen to some words that the person said in this video pertaining to receipt and money. And I would like you to tell me, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like what the person talked about in the video that I'm about to present to you. Now, please bear in mind that I'm not able to confirm if any words or anything that the person said in this video are accurate or even true. But if so, OMG. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
This a Chinese boy have to come down. See me in there, sir? Him. This a Chinese have to come down. Now real life. No joke about it. This a place there in a Lindsay. This a place there. Ain't run from the walk street club there. I give man me 68,000 for your adjuster. You know? And the man, me come back and the man now my goods. And the man I tell me say me have to have receipt after receipt last. You know? If you come down, nobody in a Lindsay don't come around and come support this man, brother. Cause not know where this man have in a place no good. See him there? See him there? No, in a place no good, brother. Me have to put you up on this a place have a lockdown. And I'm more than one time people have to call police on him around here. See it there?
15,000.
See it there? No, around here no good. No, around here no good.
Good man, this.
No good. You man hold on for my money, you know. Around here so no good, brother. No, yeah, so no good. Him, no good. Yeah. Then can't stop me from do this. That me I tell you about bossy.
Yeah.
No, yeah, no good. See him face there? No transaction with him. No transaction with this a junk prayer.
My people, based on the words of me the person said in the video, I think that if I saw the case, I think that the person should report it to the police or put it in the hands of the police. And when it comes on to whatsoever race that the person mentioned in the video, I'm wondering if that is accurate. But what would you do if you find yourself in a situation that the person basically said in the video? Again, I'm not able to confirm if any words that the person said in the video are accurate or even true, pertaining to what the person was saying. But so, in the next video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said or claimed that the person was trying to make a report to police. I don't know where the video will be recorded. However, when I look and listen to the video, I wondered why the person was being treated a certain type of way. People, take a look at this video, leave your comment or comments and let me know what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this also. Viewer discretion is advised for this video, viewing subscribers, because there was some type of a physical thing that kind of happened during the situation, I'm going to say. Observe.
Come to your post, you telling me I got to break down something that I'm going to just access at the gate if I can't make a report to your post. Couple of police asked if I can make a report, an official report at the outpost. Something that occurred at Regent Street. I never in Japan or India, so I actually can't make a report at the outpost. It's not like me a style, I make a break down. You understand me? Police constable asked me if I can make a report at the outpost, yes or no?
I tell you the report, you gotta go.
Police constable asked me if I can make a report whereby somebody threatening me at the Region and Avenue Republic, yes or no? As you can see, as a citizen of Guyana, need to make an official report to the outpost.
Hold on.
Police car, I ask
the place.
I ask you.
Hello, you cannot come
I
here
ask
with
you.
beer
I
bottle.
need to make a report, an
what I'm
official
saying?
report.
Get the beer bottle out here and come back here and make
Where you
report.
see me battle in here?
Hello, you cannot
Police
drink in here.
constable, I ask you to make an official report.
You what I said?
You make an allegation against.
Get out the blast the place, stop drinking in here.
As you can see,
Yeah, sir.
I see you see assaulting me, police constable.
You know what I said?
Police constable, I ask you to
You
make an
cannot drink
official.
in the blasted out
You
first.
see assaulting me there, police
Get
constable.
outside, get out.
You cannot. You see assaulting me in this place, you know. You see assaulting me in this place, you know.
You
Don't make up put it up on the Facebook.
stop drinking in here.
I'm not drink. You see assaulting me. You see assaulting me there, police constable.
Stop this over.
Couple, I need to make a official report. Somebody threatening me. You telling me that they can't make a report to this outpost, right?
You cannot drink in the building, get out.
Where you see me battling in this building, you see you're making allegation against me, though. I'm going to break down everything. You see, I'm making it. All right, good.
The people, I wonder why the person was being treated a certain type of way.
Stop drinking in here.
I'm not drinking. You see, assaulting.
I hear Diana mentioned in the video as well too. So I'm just point out that my people. Leave a comment or comments. Let me know. What would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that? Big up and respect to all of my viewers and subscribers. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show some things that happened when a person who was wearing a certain type of clothing assaulted a law enforcer. But people, because of certain things that I saw happen in the video, it made me wonder what type of work that person do. I got the understanding that there was some type of confrontation between the person and the law enforcer, viewers and subscribers. But the way certain things happen, it look away and it look bad. See? There were other law enforcers there, viewers and subscribers, and I got the understanding that at least 2 persons who was there did what they could to de-escalate the situation. But people, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded. And in my point of view, I think that the person who reacted a certain type of way first was in the wrong. The video shows that at least one person punched at the other person while there were a certain amount of persons there trying to de-escalate the situation. But overall, based on the angle of the video and so forth, I am not able to confirm if anyone directly hit anyone to a certain extent. See me? And based on what you can see happening in the video, you can leave a comment or comments and let me know who you think might have been in the wrong when it comes down to the situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. So what goes on? You see the attitude, you see the behavior, what goes on between those persons, what? Person, voila. Notice the one. What? Huh? Well, a lot of people, there's something more I'll show you. See, me see a small little thing that somewhat went up and went down within a certain time when the person was wearing a certain type of clothing did something towards the law enforcer. What could this be? Me notice me say something. What could this be? What is this? What is? What is something there? People, me not jump to the conclusion, but me I assume what that might be based on what me see and based on how the situation look. That little something there. Eh? Where that come from? OMG, it look away. It look away. To each and every one, please try your best to talk over your differences. And if a confrontation is too heated and you're involved, walk away. Please. Anyways, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, I'm Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?